In this lecture, we'll be setting up the CloudWatch alarm so the failure notification for the data quality check can be sent to the business users or anyone who is interested in the data. Before we setting up the CloudWatch alarm, we need to make sure that our SNS notification topic has been created. So let's go and check the SNS. So when you check the topic, there should be SNS 101 topic. It's the same topic which we created as part of our SNS 101 lab. So please go ahead and create this topic if it's not created yet. So now let's go and open the CloudWatch. So now in the CloudWatch, we'll be creating an alarm state, like we are saying CloudWatch, what should you consider as an alarm? And once you find an alarm or alarm is triggered, what needs to be done? So let's go ahead and create the alarm. So you can click all alarms and then create alarm over here. So when you create the alarm, you have to tell CloudWatch what are the metrics you are looking for in order to create the alarm. So select the metrics over here, and when you see, these are all the custom metrics which is already provided. The namespace, or if you are creating the alarm for that shift or the kinesis, but in our case we are using this custom namespace which is for the Glue data quality. If you remember, we have tick marked on our Glue data quality, so whenever the data quality runs, everything is logged into the CloudWatch. So we click on this one, and then there are two options. One is for our catalog database and rule set table. This one happens when you run this data quality check in the AWS Glue table directly and see what is going on with the data. This one is when you do the data quality checks using the Glue job and we are interested in our Glue job failures. So we are going to select on the evaluation context. So once you click on the evaluation context, you will see the different options. I have been playing with this one, so you see more options, but the one which we are definitely interested is this one. You should be able to see something like evaluate data quality dyna frame, and this is the name we provided in our script. That's the reason it came up over here. That's a dynamic frame created by data quality for our data evaluation. And the second thing which we are interested in, rules failed. So you want to create when our rules failed, so we can send the failure notification. So click on this one and then we'll go next. So now our matrix has been selected. So we want the failed metric when the data quality rules failed for this job, which is the Glue job 6. And this is the evaluation context, which is our evaluation dynamic frame. It should be an average, because if it runs more than twice or thrice, then we want to get the average. And then 1 minute. So in the 1 minute, we want to check what's going on. The condition. So condition, what we're going to say is like in 1 minute, if the failure of Glue job 6 is greater than or equal to 1, it should be considered as an alarm condition. No need to provide additional configuration. Select next. So now what you want to do when it's an alarm state. So in alarm state means that the metric has passed the threshold. That means there is a greater than 1 job failure in 1 minute. Okay means your metric is still okay, there is no failure. So in alarm state, what we want to do, we want to send an email, and we are going to use the existing SNS topic, which is our 101, which will send the email over here. Next, and the name we are going to give is data quality failure notification Glue job 6, and hit next. It's giving us the preview. So this is the metric we have used, this is the condition we have provided, and this is the notification we want to do. So please make sure when you create this alarm, everything is correct, and we'll say create alarm. So in this lecture, we created the CloudWatch alarm for our data quality notification failure. So in the next lecture, we'll be running the job and see whether we are getting the emails or not. So thank you very much for watching this video.